Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by aligning prerequisites with immediate action. First, pick a niche that needs Socratic-style learning, students or professionals, and define a one-page offer. Next, create one pilot lesson and a simple sign-up form. This lets you validate demand without overbuilding. Once done, set a baseline price, e.g., $49, and build a short landing page. Make sure to collect emails and feedback on the pilot so you can iterate quickly and avoid wasted development time. You now construct the core product using the Socratic method. Design 8 to 12 modules of question-driven lessons and model answers that guide thinking. Record short videos, write worksheets, and create a repeatable funnel with 3 email sequences. This turns interest into purchases. Once the product is assembled, run a low-cost launch, ads or partnerships, and offer an early bird price. Make sure to track conversions and feedback daily so you can optimize content, pricing, and messaging based on real user behavior. You finish by scaling and stabilizing revenue. Automate onboarding, add cohorts monthly, and introduce micro-products at $15 to capture low-commitment buyers. Once volume grows, focus on a/B testing pricing and funnel copy to lift conversion rates by double digits. If engagement drops, rework prompts and add live Q&A. If retention stalls, bundle coaching or community access. Key troubleshooting tip: if users aren't progressing, simplify the first 2 modules and add check-ins. This fixes churn rapidly and restores momentum.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.